Welcome to the Station Bakery. Today we are going to be organizing this mess. If your space looks like mine or worse, no need to be ashamed. We get busy running our businesses and living like that. Sometimes our systems fail or we fail our systems. And that's okay because today we're going to get it back together. I hope as we clean and organize my space, you'll be motivated to do the same for yours. You can even play this on your TV and it'll be like we're doing it together. If you are returning, welcome back. And if you are new, welcome. I'm Court, and on my channel, I like to share all things around being a home baker, from cake decorating and business tips to just everyday life running a home bakery business. If you want to be a part of the community, click the subscribe button and like this video. The first step in getting my pantry back organized is making the decision to do so. But after I've decided, I start with taking everything out of my pantry. This helps to see everything I am storing for my cake business, so I am able to make wise decisions on what stays and what needs to go. You might be surprised at what you find along the way. Oh my goodness, y'all, like look at this mess. Now that the pantry is completely cleared out, I'm going to wipe it down and sweep it out, get all of the dusties and all of that stuff out of there. And then I'm going through this big pile of stuff and look for things that have expired or are getting ready to expire, or things that I just don't need anymore in my home bakery business. It is so important to do routine cleanings and organizations for your home bakery business, because you never know what is hidden on those shelves and under the shelves, and you just never know. This is a perfect time to restart and reset my home bakery business, and you can do yours too. Now that I have the pantry shelves emptied, cleaned, and wiped down, I am ready to start going through everything that came out of there, specifically looking for easy things to trash like packaging papers or empty containers. Anything that is easily recognized as trash. This helps get extra unnecessary clutter out of the way for when we start separating and organizing our items. And y'all, wait until you see how much trash I accumulated. Ah! I found this Amazon package. It's been partially open. Oh, this is my heat gun. New tool. And this is trash. Alright, so let's go through the expiration dates for these flavorings. I know that these right here are all good because I just bought those. Those are all new. But some of these in here are some that I bought when I first got started. So yeah, I don't really use extracts that much outside of really just vanilla. So yeah, I don't know what's going to be in here, but this is just your reminder to check your expiration dates. Okay, this is 2022. Perfect. There's like only a little, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I get the sun to hit it. Yeah, there's not much in here. And again, I don't really use extracts, so I am going to trash this. Oh, yeah, so this is kind of embarrassing. Look at that. This is 2018. I think this might have been old when I got it. How in the world? Best by 5, 6, 18. You guys, I was just starting my business then. What? Huh. Trash. Oh, look at this one. 2020. Trash. Almost gone, and that I know that I am not going to use. Like, isn't that so weird, y'all? That's why it's so important to check your products. Has this happened to anyone before? Oh look, it's the marshmallows that I use for my zombie cake. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be using these again. Oh, but you know, I think these would be great in like a buttered popcorn hot cocoa bomb. If y'all are interested in that, I don't know, I'm putting these in the trash. But I'm thankful that tomorrow is trash day, so that's another tip. If you're going to do this when trash day is like right around the corner, so you're not holding on to all of this trash inside of your house, especially if you're working with like liquids and perishable items. Just do it like the day before trash day so it can be gone.
So shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do.
So I absolutely love these containers. These I got from Amazon. Pretty much everything that I have is from Amazon, but these containers are really awesome. And what I really love to use them for are for my cookies. I saw some things on Instagram and TikTok, and people like put cookies in like the jars and everything. So I have these, and this is what I put my cookies in. And it has this top, this airtight container lid, and so it keeps my cookies fresh. And it makes it look really my girls are in the background playing, but this is just life, okay? But it makes it look really good. It makes it look really organized and really clean and sleek. So I love using this, but it also keeps the cookies really fresh. So yeah, we're gonna fill these up.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready.
Aren't these just so cute and neat? Like, I love how sleek and compact they are. And it really saves me space on my shelves, and it's great because they're stackable. I can actually fit quite a few cookies in these, even though the containers look kind of small. I can easily fit an entire party-sized pack of Oreos inside of one of these containers. And now on to these next containers. Again, pretty much everything I get is from Amazon, so it will all be linked in the description. But I love these containers because they are so versatile. You can store so many things in them, like cake mixes, sprays, and extra ingredients, and it keeps it all looking neat.
But the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
Okay, so next are these metal baskets. I use these to store some of my more bulky items like my chocolates, and I love that they are low, so it makes taking things out and putting them back in super easy to do, especially if it's higher up on the shelf. These help organize my items nicely and don't take away from the look of the pantry. And look at all this chocolate I have in so many different kinds. I don't really know why I bought so much of so many different kinds, but I would love to hear some thoughts and ideas on what you would like to see me make with it. Now, I'm not saying I'm actually going to do it, but I would love some ideas in case I do.
Our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making first. She just gotta stop.
The process is processing. I'm tired. It's definitely a process, and I am doing this all by myself. Usually I'll have my husband or someone here helping me, but today is just me and your girl is tired. But here's another tip for you. Start out as early as possible because this is a day-long process and sometimes could be even longer. But I'm hoping to be able to finish by tonight, be finished in maybe another hour or so. And yeah, but it's going to be well worth it. It's going to be well worth it. Just refreshing things and cleaning things up can really just reset your home bakery. And that's what I'm looking for. We're giving this a new start and we're going to be doing some new things. So we need a new setup. It needs to be organized and no longer cluttered. As I said in my last video, clutter really messes with me mentally. So yeah, this is going to help me tremendously. But I wanted to show you, this is like one of my most favorite containers ever. Like, this is like one of the best purchases that I bought, and like, I love it so much. And I'm pretty sure that you're gonna love it too when I show you. But yeah, again, pretty much everything here is found on Amazon, but I will have everything linked in the description below for ease of access for you. Yeah, so let me show you these containers. Okay, so it's these right here. These are like my most favorite containers ever. And as you see, I store my cupcake liners and some of my food colorings and my powders and dust and glitters and everything is stored in here. Even like this little drawer here has like some knickknacks with some floral tape and some gold leaf and some spray. These are so cute and amazing. Each of these pulls out in this little container. I'm not really sure of the dimensions, but again, it will be linked in the description below. And they just slide in. They're acrylic, so it's really sturdy. And yeah, it's like the perfect size for like these little mini AmeriColor girls. Shh. It's like the perfect size for these like little AmeriColor food colorings. So I love these. I love these so much. I have like a lot of them, as you can see, and I still have some more in storage just in case I need them. But yeah, look at this. And they're what is the word? I don't know, but they all like, they work together. They're modular. Is that the word? Where like you can like put them together, but you can also stack them on top. Like, it's just, these are so great. It's like a pack of 3. 1, 2, 3 shells. That's one whole piece. But I believe they come in boxes of 2s or 3s, depending on what you purchase. But look at that. You just put them side by side and it all looks like one big piece. It's amazing. And if I wanted to take these 3 and put it on top of those 3, I could do that as well. Aren't these so cute? Aren't they so cute? Yeah, go ahead and get you some. Go ahead and get you some. Again, they're linked down in the description below. So yeah, let's get organized, y'all. Let's get organized.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter. to keep me company downtown.
It is now nighttime. It is dark outside, and I am now officially finished with the pantry. Man, that has been a day, and my husband did come in to help me put the last pieces into the pantry and finish up the last things that needed to get done. But let me just take y'all in and show you what it looks like. Everything is in order and now back to its place. Everything is fresh, and there's nothing that is expired in here or nothing that needs to be tossed. There's no trash. It is all clean and organized and ready to take on what orders ready to take on the orders of the world, right? So let me just turn you around. And this is just it. Everything is in its place. I have these here where I can turn. I absolutely love these. And then here are all of my sprinkles. Love. And then more sprinkles here on this 2-tier thing. I do have a third one of these, but I'm not ready to open it yet. This is holding up just fine. And then these are all of my containers. I did fill this one with these heating cores. And yeah, there's some cocoa. This is all pretty much packaging going on right here. These are my cake boards and dowels and piping bags in here. These are all just packaging things. Here are my big boxes for my cakes, and then just some extras, cookie cutters and molds and, you know, random decorating stuff. Some more dowels, and then behind there are some letters that I don't really use. And then I have all of my cake boards, and then like my paper products, my cling wrap and my plastic bags and my parchment and foil. And then here I have like some eatables, cookies, and then cake box mixes and cake sprays, and just a few extras of ingredients. My fondant is all here. This is a bag of marshmallows for something that I'm gonna work on, some hot cocoa bombs that I plan to work on. The video may be out or maybe coming, or you might not just see it at all, but yeah, that's what that's for. Then all of my chocolate is here. And then my powders and things are up there. And of course my rollers with my sugar and my flour. And then this is my powdered sugar here. This is actually a thing that goes inside of the drawers and organizer. That's gonna have to be for another video because your girl is tired and I don't feel like doing any more work. But that's what that's gonna be for, because yes, I do need to reorganize the drawers from the last video. If you have not seen it, go see it, because I may or may not do an updated video of that, and it's going to look completely different. So go put your eyes on that, and then stay tuned to see the next one. But yeah, that is what we have, and I'm just going to insert a little quick before here.
But I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready. Let me have another
And leave y'all with the after.
Wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa. No, not yet. Whoa. No, not yet. Whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm